If you want to make someone smile instantly, how are you going to make that person smile?
Crack a joke or maybe take the name of their crush.
Okay.
Burp out, I guess that's the weirdest sound I can make.
I'm gonna dance in front of him
Acha.
like an idiot.
I think I'll look at them and I'll smile.
Can you think of any cool joke?
Cool joke.
Yes.
I actually read a dish name today. It was called Hukam Ka Ikka, Paneer Ka Tikka.
I've actually heard of a non-veg joke, if I can say that on camera.
Yeah, all good, all good.
दूर से देखा
मुझे तो अभी हंसी आ रही है.
No, that's just my face. So दूर से देखा
Yeah.
तो टकले उछल रहे थे.
टकले उछल रहे थे.
Yeah, like they were jumping. पास आके देखा तो दो अंडे उबल रहे थे.
Awesome. Hey, what is happening, beautiful people? My name is Pranoy and you're watching Quick Reaction Team. Don't be surprised. I know, new way of shooting this anchor shoot. I hope you guys like it. So basically this week we went around the streets of Delhi and asked people that how to make someone smile instantly. I hope you guys like this video. So guys, without wasting any time, let us just dive into this video. How would you make someone smile instantly?
I don't know. I'll probably like crack a joke or make some funny noises.
I think I'm gonna give them a compliment, a nice genuine compliment.
Okay.
I start laughing.
Start laughing?
I just tickle them.
You tickle them?
I tickle them all the time. People are uncomfortable with it, people don't like it, but I just go and tickle them, and that always works.
I will go and dance.
You're gonna go and dance.
I've been slapped once, but not because I tickled somebody, because I ate the lunch.
So if it's not a stranger, I'll just tickle them.
Not a stranger.
Yeah.
And,
Okay, even if a stranger, I'll tickle them. They'll probably just smile at the randomness. Just offend them.
and what are the chances of getting slapped?
No, I don't think. I don't think girls tickling gets people slapped.
girls,
yeah.
I think,
Lesser.
By smiling?
By smiling?
Yeah.
You can totally walk?
I hope so because I guess my smile is that much cute that the person in front of me will
Okay,
obviously
flattered
smile.
and might smile. So let's say if you have to make her smile instantly right now, because she's already smiling. She's
I
already
look
smiling.
at her and I automatically smile.
So if she's a stranger, I'll just smile at her, and I hope she smiles at me back.
She's smiling.
Yeah, she's already smiling.
I'm gonna compliment like a cute top, which really suits her.
Why are you not smiling?
No, I am smiling, but I'm just worried if you ask me the same question.
I'm going to ask you. actually.
She took my answer.
So can you think of any cool joke?
Cool joke.
Yes.
I think you will be good at a joke. No, no, I do not remember. any.
Forward, mess, WhatsApp, text
Oh,
or something.
that family groups that you forwarded.
I'm just thinking of all the weird jokes my parents keep sending me,
Someone sent this to me. Although at that time I didn't appreciate it, but I thought it was really funny that the tagline of Virgin Atlantic's new tagline, at that time it was new, that we are more experienced than our name suggests.
Okay. Can you make some funny faces, funny expressions?
Funny भी और sad सा भी I can make. Like this I can make.
और ये sad वाला था क्या funny?
ये sad वाला.
funny वाला दिखाओ.
भाई तू ले आजा.
If your mom is totally mad at you, she's annoyed, okay, she's pissed off. How are you going to make her smile instantly?
Instantly, well, that's actually not possible.
That's not possible.
Yeah, I don't think that's possible.
Okay, so if my mom is really annoyed, so I'll just go to her and say, "तो सीता बड़े मजाक की हो."
I'd probably give her one of her favorite sweets, so that, because she's really fond of sweets.
She is quite simple, so she likes. Even if I make her some simple aloo gobi sabji, she'll be very okay with it. She'll be happy. Yeah, that actually I went to the kitchen and I cooked something.
Are you going to tickle her?
Yeah, for sure.
What else can you try on her?
The most annoying thing, she feels it and who will I'll marry. So I always make her talk about, okay, I'm gonna marry some dark black guy and he's gonna be he's gonna be most gorgeous person on this earth, and she quickly gets that annoying face and I know she'll laugh in 2 minutes.
Let's say if your boyfriend is pissed off at you.
Assuming I have a boyfriend.
Sorry, you don't have a boyfriend?
No.
So hypothetically, let's say.
Hypothetically,
I think my boyfriend
won't be mad at me, I think. But if he is, I think just a puppy face and please, I'm so sorry. And I think that'll do.
I don't know.
What are you going to do? रहने दे कुछ हंसाना नहीं है उसको.
No, for some time I will not, but like. Like this.
Yeah, go. What's our line?
So, why will someone be not at.
Maybe give him a hug. I don't have a boyfriend though.
It's all hypothetically.
Hypothetically, yeah.
I think beer and ice cream.
This is cool.
Like
You're
a
a good
crate of beer,
girlfriend.
yeah.
I guess kiss on the cheek. Cheek. Cheek.
Okay, that can work.
Yeah. I'm sure that will work.
Let's say if he is totally annoyed, so how are you going to make him happy?
I just have to give him a kiss. That's it.
And okay, it's gonna
Yeah,
work.
it's that easy.
hug preferably works better than kisses, I believe, because it's just some physical sort of a touches there.
Burping out loud.
It won't work with him.
If you want to make her smile instantly, what are you going to do?
I will buy her food and
I love food.
and clothes, a lot of clothes. Yeah, a
You
lot
think
of
that
clothes.
will work?
Yeah, definitely that will work. I know that.
Okay, so let me give you a situation. So let's say your girlfriend is totally pissed off
Right.
with your behavior.
Right.
And right now, if you want to make her smile,
Right.
what are you going to do?
Either I take her to a place which she really likes. I mean, ice cream parlor or a restaurant or, something she enjoys doing. Say, make her meet dogs, animals. Take her to a pet shop or something. If not that, then like I said,
She didn't go with you at first place and she's totally annoyed.
see again, they're annoying. They will keep yelling at you. They will keep sort of.
At the end of the day, मान जाएगी.
वो चलेगी मतलब she will keep annoying you. She will keep judging your driving. She will find something or the other to yell you at. But she will be with you. I mean, she won't leave you actually.
If you have to give some really nice tips to people, our viewers, okay, let's say if they want to make someone smile, so what advice or tips you can give to them? Make puppy faces.
No, that won't do for strangers, I think.
After a point.
Well, I think first of all, don't make anyone frown. That's the first thing.
They should dance on the red light area, signal and all that.
I think humor really works. So first assess the situation. If it's really serious, then don't do it because then people will get mad. But if you think that the situation you can easily say sort of mitigate it in some ways, then yeah, you can definitely try with humor, sarcasm, humor. I use a lot of sarcasm. That works, but it also annoys
tickling
people.
and also work?
I doubt it. Because some people don't like to get touched, so it's better to just work with words.
Like if you to make someone smile, just do their favorite thing,
Come up with non-veg jokes.
No. that's I don't think that should be done. But since this was the thing that instantly came to
you.
Yeah, I think it was funny enough.
Absolutely.
I think it would be fun enough for your viewers to watch.
Sure, they're gonna like it.
if they are sitting in the sofa, they can jump out of it and just lie on the floor and just start moving like an idiot. So that you can do, yeah.
Just be yourself, be confident, be happy because there's nothing more attractive than a person who's confident about herself or himself.
Let's say girls, right? Girls always enjoy when you bitch about other girls with them, right? So for instance, if I know that this girl hates other girl, and I know both of them, right? And if I want to make her laugh, I just start saying shit about the other girl. Always works with girls.
Take them out for beer, coffee.
Yeah, I mean, I
That'll
think it's
be not
always,
too much,
yeah.
but
You can't just walk up to a stranger and say, listen, you want to have coffee. That is so misinterpreted in so many ways.
Okay, then I think a smile will do. Like if you're just a stranger, I'll smile at you.
I would say that if someone is mad at you, just try to say whatever he or she wants to listen. That should be a truth. If he is mad, like you said something or you have done something wrong, then try to make it up for him or her, and just do one simple thing, that give him or her a hug.
Keep smiling.
A smile can mean 1,000 words, so always smile. Thank you.
Hope you guys have enjoyed our video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big fat thumbs up. Also check out some of the best QRT videos by clicking right here. To get all our fresh videos first on YouTube, click the subscribe button right here. To see all the behind the scene pictures and videos of the shoot, don't forget to follow us on our Ruposo and Instagram. I will see you guys every Tuesdays and every Fridays 4 PM with a brand new episode of QRT. Until next time, goodbye. What does God mean to you?
To me,
Yeah, to you.
nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
The one that makes me feel powerful and confident.
And to their families and make them feel happy and special.
सबसे मेन बात उनका शुक्रिया आप नहीं कर सकते, हम उनका शुक्रिया नहीं चुका सकते जो